Right. Getting lost in this city is a usual circumstance for visitors with or without a GPS. So, you better give yourself an extra time to roam around the city. You will, however, have the opportunity to enjoy the scenery and finish the maze. Enjoy the delicious Venetian and local cuisines like the squidink spaghetti, risotto with prawns and zucchini, the world-class tiramisu, and a lot more. Like any other beautiful cities in the world, Rome is one of the best cities to visit in Europe. However, you must also allot more time for your visit, because I'm sure you don't want to miss even a scant thing in the trip. One trip is not enough to see everything the city has to offer.